Hi, I'm Paul from Valeworks, and it's time to climb up the UK's most steepest residential street. Come join me to find out what bike I'm doing this on. Of course, it's the G Line. A few years ago I did this on my Brompton P6R. I must have had a screw loose, but I got to the top. Now it's time to see how I can perform on the G Line. So, being honest, I've never even attempted this on the G Line. I don't even know if I've been back since I did it a few years ago. It's not a regular climb for me. So I'm going to try it on the G Line. The G Line has not been modified other than the handlebars, pedals changed to other pedals. It's got the same ratio, 54-2 at the front. I've got flat pedals this time, whereas last time on my P6R I was doing it clipped in on SBD pedals. So let's see how we get on. If I get my facts right, it's the UK's steepest residential street with an average gradient of 23%, with this first bit being 25%. Now, I'm not going to be doing any run-ups. I'm just going to go from the other side of this road, which is called Park Avenue, and I'll get a few spins in before I give it some up this stupidly steep residential road.
One thing that's really difficult to see is like how steep this road actually is on all the camera angles. I'm probably only 5 meters from Paul, but he's a lot lower down than me. I think in 0.2 kilometers this goes up 17 meters. So I'm definitely, even walking down the steepest bit, it's pretty scary. You can see where all the cars bottom out here as well. So I was stood only about there then. And that's how far away I was from Paul.
I'm in my easiest gear. Let's give this a go, shall we? Here we go. Okay, so just to cement it, let's do it another time. Should we do a track stand halfway? Oh, track stand. Oh. Whew. It's a bit of a tough one. I would say with the G Line, with the ratio of the cassette or the sprocket and the chainring I have, it's definitely harder. Definitely having to grind a lot more than the P6R. I'd say that, yeah, with the smaller chainring, the P6R was definitely easier, but it's still manageable on the G Line. It's not one I'd want to be doing every day or even a third time. Let's go old school mountain biking. Oh,
How was that?
it was good. My plan was to try and do a track stand, show off, but literally couldn't stop. I just had to keep going. So I hope you liked this video.
We're not stopping yet.
Why?
Because I need you to do one more so I can get a good picture for the thumbnail.
Oh no. Okay.
You don't have to go all the way to the top.
Okay. So I'm going to do it one more time for the thumbnail. What a silly idea this is, but I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like what we do, please subscribe.